How to register a Synchrony credit card for online access. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a clear, simple guide that you can follow up in order to do so, and you should be able to do it very easily. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can open up Synchrony Bank and we can go to the registration page. Usually in the top right corner, we can find an option called open an account that we can click on, and that should lead us to the next page where we can start up the registration. So wait for the page to load up and you can select this option called register for online access. After that, what you can do is you can basically, you know, start the process. So look out for the find account option if available, if asked, and all you gotta do is provide in your details. So first of all, provide in your social security number, and once you're done so, you can type in your date of birth. So go ahead and type in your date of birth here and click on this continue option. That will basically help Synchrony Bank locate your credit card account. Once it is done, you can just go and verify your identity and confirm your account details, and you can select your specific credit card if you have more than one, and you can set up your username, password, security questions if asked, and email address, and you can complete the registration. And you can head back to the sign in page in the top right corner. After that, you can enter up your new username and your password. So all you gotta do is enter up your new username and your password. After that, you can click on the sign in option, and that's it. You need to work for store cards issued by Synchrony. You must already have the credit card and account. Usually, it requires a US SSN, which is Social Security number, to register, and some cards may redirect you to a store-specific login page as well. And make sure your details match exactly. You can try using a different browser or device if you face issues, and check if your card has its own login portal or not. And that's it. Usually, this is how you register for a Synchrony credit card for online access. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.